And now let's cook paksiw na sweet chili with okra. Let's start cooking. Our ingredients, we have ginger. We have also our onion, garlic, pork cut into small pieces, and our 2 tablespoon bagoong, 2 tablespoon vinegar, and our vegetable, we have okra, and our sweet chili. And this is how we cook our meat. So just add a little bit of water, add some salt, and let it boil for a few minutes. And then remove the meat from the boiled water. Wash it thoroughly. We're doing this one especially for the frozen meats. And now we're ready to saute. Again, wait for your pork to become slightly brown and add your garlic. Also add your ginger and your onion. Don't overcook it, guys. This time we're going to add our 2 tablespoon bagoong, and also this time we're going to add our water. Let it boil. And this time we're preparing to add our vegetables. So we're going to add now our okra. And let it boil for a few minutes. And now add our sweet chili banana. Cover it and cook it for a few minutes. After mixing it, we're going to cover it again. And this time we're going to add our last ingredient, which is the vinegar. It's almost done, guys. And here you go. We're done. So this is our paksiw na sweet chili with okra. Ready your extra rice again, guys. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to Joanne Kitchen USA and also hit the notification bell and get updated with our latest videos. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching.